We also are a dealer of Warner, which is WeatherGuard products. They carry all different shelving units, ladder racks, bulkheads, you name it, for the tradesmen, the AC guy, the electrician, the plumber. They need shelving inside to be able to carry all different types of equipment that they have. There's so many different ways to be able to do it, because when you're talking about an AC guy, he normally wants a van designed a certain way. An electrician is going to have it a little bit different. Same with a plumber. And they make packages that will go along with those types of trades. We have been carrying it for years, and we are now becoming a much stronger dealer in that market. Not to mention, we can get these done normally less than a week, which most competitors out there are looking to 6 to 7 weeks. To us, it's about getting the vehicle back on the road again, because that's where you're making your money.